Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am here today with a 4-look 1 palette review for you guys. I know you guys enjoy these looks on my channel, and today we have a very affordable palette to review. So if you're interested in reviewing or hearing my thoughts and seeing what looks I created with the Emily Edit Wants palette that she created in collaboration with Makeup Revolution, definitely stay tuned. First, peeking into this palette. Yes, this brand new palette is new. So everything is looking good. I didn't swatch anything. Look at that. 24 shades for $20. Awesome. And then the mirror. Okay, I don't want y'all to see all this mess, but look at this mirror. It's the whole size, the entire size of this. It's bigger than my handheld mirror, guys. Bigger than that. So this is, we're off to a good start. Okay, packaging really good. Oh, there's so many options. There's so many options. I just like this color scheme of this thing already. See, I don't have a palette that has this color scheme because there's so much purple and rose in it. Purple and rose and then a little bit of brown. Only one gold shade. I have so many palettes that are full of golds, bronzes, you know, champagnes, and all those different types of variations of gold. But this one is not like that. So it has all this other stuff. Yes. And it looks like it's going to be brown girl friendly with the deep colors. Okay. Thank you, Emily. Shoot. I wasn't sure how it was going to be. So I'm going to take Midwest as, and it looks pinky on the screen, but it's more of like a terracotta tan shade. Okay, it shows up a little bit, not too much, but it is a transition shade, so that's fine. We got a dark brown, we got a dark purple, dark red, dark burgundy, you know, to intensify this crease. I think I'm going to go into the dark purple. I know I'm getting ready for work, but sometimes dark purples don't translate as like purple. They translate as a little bit brown, a little bit, you know, a little bit brownish, so they're sometimes okay to use. So I'm going into Pi Phi. I think this is her sorority. Pi Phi. Okay. Looks like it's, oh, it looks real purple on camera. It looks kind of purple in person too, but. Alright, I'm taking the same tan Midwest shade and blending on top to diffuse those lines. I'm going to take some of this Laugh Cry shade here. This is like an orangey, like a pinky orange shade, and going on the edge. Okay, this is really nice shade too. I am so excited about this palette just because, well, because of the value. It's such a great value. And I really like Emily's channel. I just, you know, found her channel this year. But she just seems so humble and stuff. And she brings you these reviews. And she doesn't like do sponsored content. I don't even know. I don't think she does affiliate links or anything like that. When she did her reveal video and stuff and how grateful she was and humble about it and so thankful, and she was just, you know, thanking God and stuff and her family and things like that. I was like, okay, I really want to, you know, support. Her channel has really inspired, or she has really inspired the videos that I do here now, the 4-in-1 eyeshadow tutorials, or you know, palette reviews for you guys. So I've just been going back into that Pi Phi and building out this crease, and it blends really nicely, especially with this Wayne Goss 16 brush. Alright, I think I'm going to go into Cupcake. This is like a satin shade. It's not a matte, but it's not like a metallic, and see how that goes. This is not as warm of a shade as I thought it was going to be. It's pretty white looking. I'm going to take Good Vibes, this one up here. Now this is like a metallic. This is a nice shade. And I'm going to take that on the inside edge of this, basically on top of the cupcake. Alright, I like that better. I like that a lot better. Alright, I'm going to go on ahead, put on my eyeliner, mascara, and I'll be back. Ooh, I'm going on my lower lash line with Pie Fi. Okay guys, here is the final look. Y'all know I gotta get up on my tiptoes and get a little bit closer to the camera for you. I like the look. Turned out really nicely. Everything blended okay and things like that. So yeah. Hey guys, we're back with another look with the Emily Wants palette. And so I have my eye done. All my makeup is done, even the lips. Here I am today recording this because it's very easy. So my eye has already been primed. I'm going to press out this creasing. This is a one shade look, guys. One shade, okay? Perfect for, you know, busy people trying to get to work. Alright, so I'm using Prayer. This is like a nice little dusty rose type of color. This little fluffy brush. And then I'm just getting in there and putting it on the lid. Super simple. Taking that up into the crease as well and then just blending. So, and I feel like even though this is a dusty, rosy, like mauve-y shade, it works perfect as like an everyday eye look for me because of my skin tone. Alright, and I'm going to take a pencil brush here, same shade, and bring that on my lower lash line. Even connecting it right here. Okay, well this is the final look. Very simple. Hopefully for my beginners and things like that who are watching, you will find this one super easy, very simple, and yeah, one shade all over the eye. Super easy, guys. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed the look for today. And let me give my little close-up. Hey guys, another video here. So, next look. I've got some inspiration. I'm going to show it to you on the screen. Very nice, smoky, burgundy, teal, green, something or another. We're going to make it work, okay? Laugh, cry right there. Love tons. Oh yeah. So it's blowing that out real nice. Make it a nice shape. Pie Fi. This is one of my faves in the palette. This real deep, rich purple. Very beautiful. I'm going to go on with a very pointed, not very pointed, you know, it's a little blender brush, more condensed than the others that I've been using. And we're just going to put that on the outer V. I don't know if I want to use this brush. Alright, so it's not really showing up like I want it. Like, okay, I guess I just gotta keep packing it on. And I feel like it's kind of patchy right there when I'm layering it. I'm going back into that Love Ton shade and blending that on that outer perimeter. I guess it's okay. I'm just looking back at that picture like, that gone. What the heck, y'all? Trying to, you know, I'm trying to make a look here. And I'm going to go into corduroy. Right here. You see it looks kind of like a teal, turquoise type of shade. And I'm just going to put that on the eyelid. And then we're going to see how this goes. And I'm just going to pack it on lightly. Hey, look at that. That looks interesting, but do not be alarmed. saying that to you, and I'm saying it to me too. Girl, don't be alarmed. Do not be alarmed. It will all come together. I'm gonna go on in with some shimmer. Okay. So, in order to do that, and to make it really, really pop, I'm gonna do some glitter glue. Okay, then I just pat that all over that lid, over that entire area that we just put the green on. Now I'm gonna take Grateful on top. Alright? Grateful on top. And see how that transforms the shade. Oh my gosh. That is so beautiful. Jeez. That is so beautiful. Okay. Does it look like hers? Not at all. Because that is too much green and not enough blue in this look. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is beautiful. Do you see that? Jeez. Oh my gosh. The corduroy shade. I like it. It looks really, really, really pretty. Especially in person. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna put lashes, mascara, all that stuff, do my face, and then I'll be back. Let me see about this. Oh heavens, it looks pretty white in the palette, but I'm just gonna take a little bit on this little tiny brush, kick off the excess, and just pop it right there. Just take a tiny bit because it is so bright. Alright, this time I'm actually coming back with my face done, okay? I'm actually gonna do it. Alright guys, we are back with another look with the Emily Edit palette. Alright, so I'm going to get this done quick because I only got 20 minutes left on my battery, okay? And I'm going to do a golden look today so you guys can see how, if you're one of them people that like to use gold and stuff like that, how you can do that with this, okay? So I'm going to go into Dues Paid. And that's going to be my transition. Alright, I'm going to do a little halo today with this Capricorn shade right there. That is a nice metallic brown chocolate shade. I'm taking a little pointed brush and going into that on my inner and outer corner. Alright, and I'm leaving the center open. Next, I'm going to take Top Story, the only gold in the palette, which is a nice change from all the, you know, recent releases here lately. So I'm going to take that with my finger and pop that right on the center. And even a little bit overlapping that Capricorn that's on the inner and outer corner. Very pretty. So then I'm taking the Capricorn, that's that deeper brown you know, metallic looking shade, and just taking that on the edges of the gold to blend that out. Just patting and doing a little bit of rubbing. Alright, and to define the crease a little bit more, I don't want to take the Capricorn too far into my crease. I'm going to go into Apartment. This is that rich brown shade. It looks like it has a light purple undertone to it. And I'm going to put that right in the crease. And I will be back. Oh, I'm recording now. Okay, so we've got the final look. Okay, this is it. Let me do my little close-up for you guys. I think I got a little spot of mascara right there. Don't mind that. Okay, so this is the final look, and this is the final look that I'm recording for you guys for the Emily edit. My final thoughts. This is a fantastic eyeshadow palette. I give it 2 thumbs up, okay? Brown girl friendly, pocket friendly, okay? Because it's only $20, and you get all those shades. I think, is it 25? Let me look at the box. 24, okay? Blendable, very nice blendable, very nice blendable, not blendable. Blendable. Mattes perform very nicely on the eyes, very pigmented, okay? The metallics that I've used, they are very nice as well. They perform nicely on the eyes. Finger, brush, whatever. I prefer using my fingers, okay? I'm sure you guys know that by now, but they perform very nicely on the eyes. As you see, I did not use any glitter glue with this look, and everything came on really popping, okay? So I definitely recommend you guys go get it, okay? I picked up this one because I am a brown girl, and she has 2. So if you don't know, she has 2. She has the Emily Edit the Wants palette, and then she also has the Needs palette. The Needs palette, I believe, is $15, and it's got some face, some shades you can use for your face. So like a bronzer, a translucent powder, and I think like a blush or something. Me being the skin tone that I am, I knew that bronzer wouldn't work for me if it works for her, okay? It won't work for me. I would have to use it as an eyeshadow, and I'd rather just spend the extra $5 to get 24 shades, you know, for my eyes, because I'm an eyeshadow, you know, hoarder, it seems like. So so yeah, but this palette is amazing. It's great. Definitely pick it up. You won't be disappointed. Girl, great palette. I commend her, you know, for making something that is so different. I have not seen this you know, this particular arrangement of shades in a full palette. You know, the palette that I have the most shades of is my Morphe Jacqueline. Shoot. Okay, didn't know there was another palette up there, but I have the Morphe Jacqueline Hill palette. This is also available at Ulta, and you know, this is the palette that I have the most shades, another palette that I have a lot of shades in, and you know, the arrangement is so different, so very warm toned, a lot of golds, coppers, you know, bronzy type shades, and then you have your pops here. I really like how, and I love that palette too, but I really like how Emily, she went away from the gold, she went away from the red, she went away from the, you know, oranges and stuff like that. I mean, we've got some pops of like pink and stuff here, but there's a lot of purples and greens and like mauvey shades, that type of thing. And then you just got your one gold color right there. So I'm very pleased with this palette. Great color arrangement, great performance on the eyes, no fallout, not a messy palette, very good. So I definitely would suggest you get it. Even if you don't know who Emily is, it would definitely be valuable for you to have if you are looking for a palette that has a little bit more than what we've been seeing released recently. And also, I do commend her and Makeup Revolution for putting the shade names on the palette. I do have a couple other Makeup Revolution palettes, and they don't have the shade names on them. So that's good that she pushed for them to do that, and it's got a great mirror. And I just, all around, 2 thumbs up, very pleased with that. So I'm gonna get out of here, but I will be talking to you all very, very soon. All right, see ya.